That's Kitten in October. He's just turned 15 weeks old. They're playing on the porch. It's almost 60 degrees today, so I'm giving the dogs some time outside. Uh-oh. What are you doing? You want to play with Toodles? Huh? Toodles is playing in the bed by himself. Are you playing, Toodles? You playing? That breeze is getting a little bit cool. I'm going to have to put you in. Yes, I am. I don't want the babies to get sick. Yeah. Says, I'm all for that. You want to go in, don't you? I know. You're just a big baby. Just a big baby. Is Kitten your girlfriend, huh? Does she like you? So I don't know what that woman's for yet. I'm 3 years old. So it's just a friend to me. Just my buddy. You gonna grunt for me? I like your grunting. You sound like a little piggy. Are you a grunting dog? Huh?
So have they had their BREAD yet?